Is Ubungoma part of our culture, or is it your gift as an individual?
I think izangoma in the modern day, they still need to go to school and study psychology, so that you will be able to see ukuthi lo muntu akadinga ukuthiwa maybe depressed, because ama-symptoms of depression are similar to ubungoma.
Abantu abamnyama, they can't be identified by ubungoma. Ubungoma is not culture, it's your gift.
Culture is the manifestation of a human intellectuality. Uma ngabe umzali wakho ethi mfana wami ungadli umile uzobhimba. It becomes a culture because I would uzobhimba, but we are being conditioned to do the right things. So it means our culture has been always advanced in terms of the upbringing of our kids. Therefore, we should question then the Western methods that try to diminish our Africanness. Cultures have been repackaged for the fourth industrialization, so that people are making money. Our culture is the yeast of the nation. I'm a cultural activist, but there are so many things that are wrong with our culture that needs to be fixed. We need to go through a phase of correctional history.